I head out for sunrises, but I stay for whatever else shows up. I set up at Plum Point Park to catch the sun coming up over downtown Norfolk. Started out rather boring, so I flew over to the west to catch a couple of more chips. The quiet didn't last long. On my way back, the Crofton Sampson crane started pulling out of Scotts Creek. By then, the sun was finally breaking the horizon, so I pivoted back to catch that. It was a constant game of look behind you as I suddenly turned around and 2 tugboats were passing my position. Thinking the show was over, I actually landed the drone. I was wrong. Just as I touched down, another crane and tug emerged from the creek. I did a quick battery swap and chased them down, pushing the zoom lens to get the framing I could. While I was tracking them, I spotted a massive ship entering from the southern branch. I waited it out to get the big ship and its tug escort, which I couldn't get a close-up of because I didn't want to fly in front of the big ship. This was followed by another crane and tug combo leaving the creek. By that point, I had been there almost exactly an hour. Between the constant traffic and my fingers freezing, it was time to pack it up. 1 hour, 3 cranes, a pile of tugboats, a large ship, and a perfect sunrise. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe and hit